wastes away and my brother starves himself.
I'm not hungry.
You lost a hand, not a stomach.
Stomach. Stomach.
Not a stomach. A toast to the proud Lannister children. The dwarf, the
Proud. Proud.
The proud Lannister children. The dwarf, the
I can't fight anymore.
What about your left?
Anymore. Anymore.
I can't fight anymore.
What about your left? What about your left?
I can hold a sword. All my instincts are wrong.
Instinct. Instinct.
I can hold a sword. All my instincts are wrong.
My brother tells me to keep your mouth shut. Unusual talent for sellsword. He tells me...
Unusual. Unusual.
Unusual talent for sellsword. He tells me...
You fight with an edge blade, I'll have to. And if I fight with an edge blade, I'll have no one left to...
Blade. Blade.
If I fight with an edge blade, I'll have no one left to...
Hello.
See that the horses are fed, watered, and rubbed down. And take Lady Walter to a chair.
Rub. Rub.
See that the horses are fed, watered, and rubbed down. And take Lady Walter to a chair.
This way, milady.
Where is your prize?
With the hound.
Prize. Prize.
Where is your prize?
With the hound.
I trained him. He was a slow learner, but he learned.
You flayed him.
Peeled a few bits. Removed.
Peel. Peel.
Peeled a few bits. Removed.
How long do you imagine your father and sister would let me live if they suspected me of lying? I have no...
Suspect. Suspect.
They suspected me of lying. I have no pet sellsword to protect me, no legendary brother to avenge me. Only little birds who whisper in my ear.
Forgive me if I don't read.
Whisper. Whisper.
Only little birds who whisper in my ear.
Forgive me if I don't read.
Now that the war is won, we should all find time for wisdom.
Wisdom. Wisdom.
We should all find time for wisdom.
You want me on the desk?
Desk. Desk.
You want me on the desk? Lord of Light, protect us! For the night is dark and full of terrors.
Terror. Terror.
The night is dark and full of terrors.
Every mother should fear for her child's soul.
She's a stubborn little beast.
She's a child.
You barely know her. You think she's sweet.
Barely. Barely.
You barely know her. You think she's sweet.
They screamed.
Women scream when they give birth. Afterwards, they are filled with joy.
Afterward, they aren't Asher.
Afterward. Afterward.
Afterwards, they are filled with joy.
Afterward, they aren't Asher.
Why did you wake me?
You've been gone for hours.
Wake. Wake.
Why did you wake me?
You've been gone for hours.
I was hungry.
We're all hungry.
I was just...
Hungry. Hungry.
We're all hungry.
I was just...
Must be glorious, though. To run, to leap, to hunt.
Leap. Leap.
To run, to leap, to hunt.
Beneath
beneath, beneath.
Not now, Mace. Lord Tywin and I are speaking. Anyway, I don't know what you're complaining about. I'm paying my share.
Complain. Complain.
Anyway, I don't know what you're complaining about. I'm paying my share. I would imagine I'd be hearing it again before long. Wars are rather expensive. The Iron Bank.
Expensive, expensive.
Wars are rather expensive. The Iron Bank will have its due. How they love to remind everyone. Almost as much as you Lannisters with your debts.
I'm not worried about
Debt, debt.
Almost as much as you Lannisters with your debts.
I'm not worried about
No one knows she's there but you, me, and Varys.
How do you know?
Because if someone follows me without an invitation, I'm the last person they ever...
Invitation, invitation.
Because if someone follows me without an invitation, I'm the last person they ever...
Why don't we make the announcement?
Announcement, announcement.
Why don't we make the announcement?
In truth, he rescued me, Your Grace.
Rescue, rescue.
In truth, he rescued me, Your Grace.
I want you to leave my presence. Leave this wedding right now. Go to the kitchens and instruct them that all the left...
Instruct, instruct.
Go to the kitchens and instruct them that all the left...
You're in rather a good mood.
Suppose I am.
Mood, mood.
You're in rather a good mood.
Suppose I am.
Lord, my lady.
Charm.
Can't say I've ever met a sand before.
Sand, sand.
Can't say I've ever met a sand before. Suppose you'll never know, Prince Oberyn. It's a shame your older brother couldn't attend the wedding.
Please give him our regards. With any luck.
Regard, regard.
Please give him our regards. With any luck.
What a fortunate thing for you, former Queen Regent, that your daughter Myrcella has been sent to live in the latter sort of place.
Latter, latter.
To live in the latter sort of place.
Everyone, silence! Clear the floor!
Silence, silence.
Everyone, silence! Clear the floor! Well fought, well fought! Here you are. Champion's purse.
Purse, purse.
Here you are. Champion's purse. A true champion defeats all their challengers. Surely there are others out there who still dare to...
Surely, surely.
Surely there are others out there who still dare to...
This one is clearly mad with lust. It would be a tragedy for the king to lose his virtue hours before...
Virtue, virtue.
It would be a tragedy for the king to lose his virtue hours before... Shame that it spilled.
Did not spill.
My love, come back.
Spill, spill.
Did not spill.
My love, come back. Look, the pie.
Pie, pie.
Look, the pie.
Good. Needs washing down.
Wash, wash.
Needs washing down. A coat of gold, a coat of
coat, coat.
A coat of gold, a coat